Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into these markets here. Taking a look at CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap Fear Greed Index fell right back down to where we said it would. We were looking to go back to the 50s at least, with a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the markets right now. We look here at Bitcoin sitting at 61,000, Ethereum under 3,000. Under 3,000, down 15% for the week. Solana down to 131. XRP under 50 cents. Cardano under 50 cents significantly. Just a drop overall in the top 20. Even going down to HBAR. HBAR falling down. CoinMarketCap down to 38 at about 8 cents. 0.078. Render down $7.62 as well. So a ton of pullbacks in the markets, but let's dive in. Taking a little brief look at price action. Before we hit the price action, we will go over some articles. Actually, let's do the price action first, just to maintain the swing of things. Taking a look here at Bitcoin respecting that level of support that we have here. Major respect here, and you guys know psychologically we see the bearish. I see the divergence on the weekly time frame. Okay, you see it right now. It's undeniable. You see it. Okay, so with that divergence, now what? That's the question. Now what? We see the divergence. If you guys want to know what divergence is, again, we see the stochastic pulling right there, and with that pull, we'll change this to white and just pump it up a little bit. With that pull, we see how price is going up this way and our stochastic is going down this way. That is divergence, guys. That's bearish divergence. So with that being said, of course, there's no guarantees yet, but with that being said, I am expecting a drop and break below this level at this time. Okay, at this time. Going into the daily time frame, we see here we pretty much just made a new low on the daily. We'll see how this next candle closes. We'll make another video tomorrow and go over this with you, of course, but we will see how this candle closes to give you an idea of what's going on here, and see if we break and close below this level of support. Okay, next stop, the next stop, guys, after this level of support is broken, is 53,000. okay, that is the next stop. There's nothing. How do we know this is the next stop? How do you know? Look to the left. Okay, that's how you know. You look to the left, you see all this black space. The next level of support where there's any consistent touches, any consistent levels of rejection. Okay, I'm trying to word it right for you guys. Consistent levels of rejection, consistent touches, levels of rejection is at 53,000. Okay, that's how we know. Everyone asks, how do you know? That's how we know. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. And despite this price action, though, there are some massive predictions going on with Bitcoin. So looking here, Bitcoin's price, Bursting gives $150,000 price target post halving. Okay, despite what we're seeing on the charts, we do have these fundamental factors now. Things are changing. The banks are in. Okay, so we'll see it. Let's read this article. Their latest analysis has offered an array of optimism for Bitcoin investors, suggests that Bitcoin could reach 150,000 following the halving event. Notably, this projection aligns with historical trends, as Bitcoin has historically surged post-halving. By factors like mining adjustments and ETF inflows, this changes things. Okay, Bursting predicts Bitcoin's price, and with that prediction, previous forecasts had Bitcoin hitting 150,000 mid 2025. The approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF has already catalyzed a significant price rally for Bitcoin earlier this year, underscoring the potential impact of regulatory developments on cryptocurrency markets. So, like I said before, things are changing with this ETF approval. Okay, with the level of inflows into this market, things are changing. Let's take a look here at this article. Barclays, Citi, MasterCard, and Visa joining UK pilot for tokenized deposits testings. So leading banks and credit card giants are reportedly now participating in tokenized deposit pilots project launched by by industry body UK Finance. Bloomberg, a new report by Bloomberg, companies that include Barclays, Citigroup, MasterCard, and Visa are teaming up for the effort. The project aims to create a commercial banking system for tokenized deposits and securities to make transactions across borders and systems easier, faster, as well as reduce errors and fraud. Guys, this seems like a good on-ramp for XRP. I'm just saying. UK finance pilot called the Regulated Liability Network is designed as a shared ledger with the capability to track banking payments. Okay, so the CEO of Quant, Gilbert Verdane, is saying right here, banks see the need for programmable payments today. It's quite a game changer for them because business models can operate more efficiently and because they are not limited by shackles of the current payment system. So big news here, and definitely enjoy what I'm seeing when it comes to traditional finance taking that leap into crypto. Love it. Leap into Web3. Here, investor Nick Carter says Bitcoin undeniably soaring to 100,000. Says debt crisis will drive people to Bitcoin, which I agree. I agree with that. So another extremely bullish article. So saying right here, on the first of the year, I think Bitcoin was trading at 30,000 range, maybe 40,000. I think forecasted 80,000 at some point this year. We're very close to hitting that just recently, and $100,000 would certainly not be out of the question. He says undeniably, as we look forward to the next 2 to 3 years, I'm very, very constructive on the price. I think Bitcoin thesis has been validated. I think it really got that institutional nod of appeal from the SEC. We're now seeing other jurisdictions approve ETFs. Hong Kong, I think, is a fast follow with their approval of their ETF. I think it was last week. So definitely excited to see a lot of bullish sentiment in the markets despite the pullback, guys. So that's despite what we see here on the price action. Okay, so that's the one factor that I think everyone needs to pay attention to and not just downplay. I think that what we're seeing here is change. Like what we're used to seeing at these levels is changing. I do think we break this level. Now, I do think things change with the amount of buying power that these banks have. The only difference is the banks aren't retail. So the banks do have balance sheets. The banks do have people reporting every quarter P&L statements, right? They don't just have diamond hands. That's what I'm saying. So you're going to see different market behavior because of that, because these banks aren't just going to hold forever. Okay. They have, if things change in the market, they will have to strategically change their positions because they do operate with P&L. They do operate with profits and losses. So you'll see the change in behavior. They're not just holding through everything. Okay. So just be mindful of that when we talk about the change in market conditions and the change in behaviors versus what we're traditionally used to seeing with just the retail side, mostly in these markets. Things are changing and we're here for it. So I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.